Okay, so I had a go at this, which came out quite well. Sort of 1945 wartime London. You got the sandbags, Bovril, air shelter, although we're losing the top of the bus. I was kind of thinking how you would fix that. I'd probably use Blender's Geo Tracker from Keen Tools, where we've got the whole thing and then project. The reflections might be a bit tricky, but that's how. Yeah, that is slightly problematic. And also, I've conveniently stopped these cars because obviously they move out of the patch. If we have a look at the different patches, well, here was the source image. Let's have a look at the source image first of all. So that was the source image, and then obviously put that into Photoshop and did generated the background. Try and get this. There we go. Background, and obviously upscaled it, and it's super high. Really, this is like so UHD 4K. And then I chopped out the little patches. So, and then uploaded those to Kling. So we have two patches. We have this patch here, this one, and we have this patch here, this one. And you can see the problem there. We have some way of hiding the stitch. So yeah, it's not without its issues. And also this car gets a bit, when it gets close to camera, it starts looking a bit flickery AI. So yeah, I mean, it depends if, I still think there's value, even though there's issues. I mean, look at all the people. I mean, maybe if we just got rid, if the cars were all 3D and we just got it to do the people, right? Or vehicles were 3D, even that would be a massive time saver, right? Because, it's going to be difficult to get 3D people that convincing quickly, I don't think you would need. I think you could, use the AI. Do it for the people and do the vehicles if you wanted more control. I mean, maybe just with the blended geo tracker thing, you could obviously get the motions and then do all the fixes, but and then just say generate it with clean with no vehicles in Photoshop or whatever, Nano Banana. So that's it. But yeah, so like crikey, this look came out, and I also got Photoshop to use. I used the neural thing to colorize it because it kind of insisted it was black and white. So and then when I told Nano Banana, can you make it color? It then made it modern day. So I used the Photoshop's neural thing and it's like the buses. Shouldn't the buses be red? So yeah, I mean, there's certain vehicles that I'd probably keep this one. Yeah, anyway, that's it. I just thought I'd do a little update on my experiments, and there's no grain on this either as well. You'd probably want to put a bit of film grain on it too, so there's that. Anyway, I'll stop the video.